This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your windows and doors. So if you were in a different vehicle or like that, you could lock the rear windows so they can't roll down if someone's messing with them in the back seat. Then also you can do it so they can't open up the doors. So if you got kids in the back seat and they're getting a little bit rowdy, they're going to want to play with every gadget in the back there. So all you have to do is go on down to settings, go up to controls, and it's very easy. You can see we have the option for child lock and window lock right here. Just tap it and then just make sure you have both the left and the right door selected right there. And now if someone's in the back seat and they try open up the door, so we can try opening it won't work. We can try rolling down the window, it won't work at all. So we can disengage this now. Should be able to just tap it. Now let's roll down the window in the back seat and see if this works. So it works now. So the window is coming down and then it's going up. So very easy to just disengage this or engage the locks with the control options on the screen. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.